Hello world, welcome to this programming tutorial. For this tutorial, what we're going to be doing is making a very simple Python program. This is as simple as you can get, which is why it's perfect for beginners. Let's get started. So, first I'm going to open my Sublime Text editor. A text editor is essentially a program that allows you to edit files without all that fancy formatting, like what Microsoft Word does. But I digress. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, so Control S or Command S, and then I'm going to save this on my desktop. Now you can save it wherever you want, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be opening my terminal and then navigating it to the desktop to demonstrate the program. So I'm going to save it right here. I'm going to call this hello.py. That .py extension lets us know and lets the computer know that this is a Python program. So let's save it. And then we'll start our program. So it's going to be super simple. And I'll explain this right now. So right here we have a statement. This whole line is called a statement, and it prints the text within it. So to print text is simply to display it to your screen. So once this program is run, it's going to print the text that is inside of the statement. So print hello world. So I'm going to save it again, Command S, exit, and then I'm going to open up the terminal. So this is going to be a little different if you're on Windows, but for Mac OS users, you open up your terminal, which you might have to go to the app menu right here to open. But for me, I have mine on my dock. Okay, so we're at our terminal. I'll explain what this is in another video in more detail, but basically to navigate between different folders, you just say cd for change directory, and then desktop, because that's what we're going to be navigating to. Alright, now Python 3 hello.py, and there we have it, our first program.